Cuisinart PrepExpress food processor is perfect for slicing and shredding and spiralizing. But when you've got a sweet tooth, it's perfect for making little desserts very quickly. Let's get started. Imagine the possibilities and what you can make with the PrepExpress. Look at these beautiful pear rosettes. They're so attractive already. All I'm going to do is sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. I've got the oven preheated and they're ready to go in. I'm going to bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until the puff pastry puffs up. Then I'll gently slide these off the non-stick sheet, set them on top, and continue baking for about another 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. The smell of this roasted pear, the cinnamon, the caramelized sugar is perfect. This is ready for an espresso or a tea. And whether it's a big job in the kitchen or a tiny, delicate job like these beautiful pastries, the PrepExpress is perfect.